Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and if you are new here, welcome. I'll be showing you this look today. It is a beautiful cut crease look that I did with these two palettes right here. I used the Juvia's Magic palette as well as the Morphe 35M palette. Look at these colors. I'm obsessed. I love it. So I am so excited to bring you guys this look today. This is definitely out of the norm look compared to what I'm used to on my channel, but that is what this is for. This is a no boundary zone. So I am so excited to show you guys how to get this look, and if you guys want to find out how to get this look, please continue watching. Okay, so I already prepped my eyes and I have my eyebrows already done. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil as well as the brow pomade. So next I'm going to be going into the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to be going into this color right here, and this color is called Power Slayer. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see what's going on in my eyes as well. So I'm dipping into Power Slayer with my Morphe E22 brush, and I'm just going to use sweeping motions across the crease of my eye. Really working on bringing that color upward and inward just a little bit. More intensity on the outer area of the crease. Next, I'm going to go right above that color and into the color Candy Crush from the same Morphe 35M palette. And I'm going to be using the same E22 brush, and I'm just going to be placing that right above that purple that I just placed on my eye. Once I'm happy with how blended that looks, I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan, and I'm going to be carving out my cut crease. Next, I will be using my Magic by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Nubia, this top gold shimmery color right here. And I'm just going to be packing that onto my lid where I place the concealer. And for that, I am going to be using a flat synthetic brush by Morphe, the M224 brush. Next, I'm going back into that Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to be picking up this purple shade right here. And I'm just going to be placing that right in between the yellow and the corner of my eye here. And then a slight trick, I'm going to be using my ring finger, and I'm just going to blend the two together. And by the way, for that, I used the Morphe M506 brush, which is a bit of a smaller, dense brush. And then I'm going to take this matte purple shade in the corner of that palette, and I'm going to use that in the very corner of my eye. I decided to also finish off the look with a liner on my cut crease, and I'm going to be using the Vivid Brights from NYX, and this is in the color Vivid Escape. So next I'm going in with my NYX Epic Liner. I am going in with this color Faso, and I'm going to be using that on my brow bone as well as my inner corner. Okay, so next I'm going to prime my face with my favorite primer at the moment, the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Next, I am going in with Milani Conceal and Perfect. Okay, now that that is on, I am going to be going into my NARS concealer in the color Biscuit. And I'm using this with a really light hand because this is actually a little too light for me. So I don't want to go overboard. Okay, next I will be going into my Fenty Matchstix in the color Espresso for my contour. Next I'm going in with some Mercier, and I'm going to be using that under the eyes. Blow off any excess and then just push that looking up. I'm going to go into my Maybelline FIT Me powder, the loose finishing powder, and then I'm going to be using that on the rest of my face. My usual contour, the one that I love so dearly and I probably won't be switching anytime soon. It's my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and of course, you know, it's going to be these two shades right here. Alright, one more time, going back into my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to define the contour. So since my face is in dire need of some hydration right now, I'm going to go in with the MAC Fix Plus and spray my face down. Next, I am going in with my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Next, I'm going to ensure that my lash band is covered, so I'm going to go back in with my eyeliner. Okay, on my bottom lashes now, I'm going to add the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. There's a lot going on up here already, so I want all the drama to be up here. A little bit more subtlety down here, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do, or attempt to. So before I do anything, I'm going to take my brown lip liner, the NYX Suede lip liner. I'm gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Unbutton, which is like a peachy nude. Hopefully it's not too light for me. Could I make this work? Nah, that's not gonna work. Back into Uncuffed. Uncuffed, that's definitely my color, so I'm gonna go in with that. So I think I'm actually going to use the Diamond Milk over this. So guys, that concludes today's video. I sure hope that you enjoyed watching this video because I definitely enjoyed making it. This is more of a daring look compared to what I'm used to, and I am here for it. So be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section and hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!